So should we always have that?
Hey, 2 for Matt. You've done 80 problems now. You can skip this line if you don't find it to cause any problems. So just go right to this line. So you're okay. So questions? There we go. Cool. So now using the quotient rule, it's the bottom multiplied by derivative of the top. Don't forget the dx. That will cost you a point. Minus the top multiplied by the derivative of the bottom. And all divided by, okay, a couple of things. So all eyes look up. Everybody look up. So everybody look up. I look up for a second. Okay, don't do this. Yeah, you're not indicating that all of it's being divided. If you want to put this in parentheses, you can use the slash. That's okay. Questions? Okay. So then all of it's divided by bottom squared. Do not expand the bottom. Just leave it as x plus 4 squared. Do not expand the bottom. So, does it matter?
So you have an F. You have an F over G. Does it matter which one you put in front first, like F? So you have to have like F times G.
You have to have G,
Or, yeah, G in front. Whatever.
multiplied by F prime. Yeah, if you get it backwards, you'll have, you know, if the answer comes out negative, your answer will come out positive, and then you'll be wrong. So the order is crucial. Somebody else? Careful. You all right?
Yeah. But it's the same with the product rule?
For the product rule, it actually doesn't matter because you're adding.
Okay.
However, I always do product and quotient in the same order, so I don't make the mistake on the quotient rules. Okay. Got it. Come on, look. Made an error on this line. Hands up. What's the mistake? Hands. There's actually 2 of them. 2 errors on this line. So 2 errors on line 2. So what are the 2 mistakes on line 2? Let's go, Luke.
You need parentheses around the x plus 4 at the front, and then parentheses around the x minus 4. Yeah, right there.
How many knew it? 2 points, 3 for Luke. So now I have x plus 4. Okay, hands up. What's this derivative? Hands. Just do it in your head. You can do this in your head now. What's this going to be? Go, Mally. How many knew that it was 1? 2 points, 3 for Mally. Does anyone need to see more detail? Oh, please. Don't talk so I can hear. Hey, don't you talk, no one else.
So the derivative of a constant is always 0. Does that same rule apply if it is the derivative of a negative constant?
Right, because a negative 4 is just as constant as a positive 4.
Okay, so you don't separate it into like negative and
Good question. So yes, when you do this, you'd use the add subtract rule. So this would become dx over dx. Subtract d of 4 over dx, which would be 1 minus 0. Like that. Good question. 2 for Maya. There we go. Don't forget the bottom. Okay, vote please. Points for voting. This means yes, it is legal to divide these. The This means yes, this means no. Is it legal to divide these two? Hands, come on, vote. Yes, no. Is it legal to divide these? Show me your vote.
Which one is yes?
Yes. We'll do fist for no. I should have done a fist. Yes, no. So yes, it is legal to divide. Fist, no, it is not legal. Okay, point for everyone for voting. Here's the rule. Listen close. The top must be factored. Right now the top is not factored. I have a term minus a term. So unless I think of the numerator as being one large factor, the numerator is not factored. We need more discussion there. So if the numerator is not factored, you can't divide. Stop. So this is not legal. So next line. Just multiply it out. X plus 4. Here's a problem. Everybody, eyes on the boards. Okay, there's too many negatives, so it's easy to make a mistake. The 1 is simple. It's just this times this is just x minus 4. You're going to encounter problems where this will be more complicated than 1. Distribute this first. So you're going to go like so. Okay. Then distribute the negative. That's what I found to be safest. So I distribute the 1. Now I distribute the negative. Negative x, positive 4. Here to wait. You good? There you go. Cool. Okay, vote again. Stay here. Vote real quick. Yes, I can divide. 0, I cannot. Can I divide these two here? Hands, come on. Yes? No, show me. So if you're doing this, give yourself 3. The top is not factored. You cannot divide. So the assignment is the blue sheet. So good work.